Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have one of my favorite subscriptions. So this is my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. I'm really excited to get into it. First, let me say I'm sorry that I once again have hardly any makeup on. Today was just one of those days. I had an early day and I didn't get home till around 7. And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to film the video and get it up for you guys because I'm really excited and hopefully you are too. And today is the 14th. I feel like even though that's the middle of the month, I kind of got this earlier than some of my other Ipsy bags. I feel like some of them I'm getting like almost at the end of the month. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I really want to film with this. So I'm going to keep it kind of short and sweet, but I was interested in filming with it. Also, if you notice that my eyelashes look crusty and spidery, it's because I cried coming home from work today. It was just one of those days, like nothing went right, but at least I came home to my Ipsy bag, which made it a little bit better. So I'm sure you guys can relate. It's just sometimes you need a little something, and today this was it. So without further ado, let's dive in and see what I got this month. I also did add-ons of one item. I'm gonna see, I think it's probably gonna be outside the bag. Yes, okay. So I did add on this one item. So this is the Look at Me mask duo. So it came with 2 masks and these are so flippin' cute. So I have the Sweet Honey Bear face mask. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use these. Like, this is one of those where I want to order like a multiple so that I'm okay using it, but it's so adorable. And then we have, you guys know, or maybe you don't know, but raccoons have a really special place in my heart. So this is the Aqua Moisture Raccoon face mask. He's so cute. So here they are side by side. This was a little duo and I think I added these on for $3. I think that's what the little mini sizes are. There's add-ons for 3 and then there's add-ons for 12. So you can do that actually every month. I think it's on the 2nd of the month. If you do Ipsy, you can add on. So this was the one that intrigued me this time and I'm so excited to use these, but I kind of don't want to use them at the same time because they're so cute. All right, let's see what else. There's another thing in here that came in my bag, which is outside of the actual little bag. And this is the Pharmacy Mask Duo. So I actually got 4 sheet masks, but this came in my Ipsy bag for the month. I have the Brightening Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. These feel really different, like feeling the texture and the pouch, you can tell it's not just like the regular cloth, it's gel. And then we have the Hydrating Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. Brightening has collagen and the hydrating has hyaluronic acid. So here they are side by side. They're cruelty free, paraben free, formaldehyde free, synthetic fragrance free, phthalate free, and mineral oil free. Nice, I really like that. I typically really love pharmacy products. I just got this in my BoxyCharm for the month, so if you haven't seen that, I'll give you a little sneak peek. This is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So if you haven't seen that, I did unbox my Boxy Luxe for the month. I actually put that video up yesterday, so it just went up, but man, that was a good box too. So yeah, another little subscription there if you're interested. I'm excited about these. Like I said, I usually love my pharmacy stuff. I really like the Green Clean. I love their green screen. I've tried their honey potion mask, which is really cool. I don't love the scent of it, but it's okay because it works really well. So yeah, Pharmacy is a great brand, especially if you're trying to be clean with your beauty. So there you go. So I have one more item that was not inside the bag and then we'll look at that. So this is the Tetris brush. I'm trying not to look at all the things before I get in there and actually see them. I feel like last month, this is totally random, I just thought about it, but I feel like last month I got my Ipsy and my Ipsy Glam bag plus at the same day, the regular and the plus, and today I only got my regular, so maybe my plus will come tomorrow. I'm just like, I still have that, right? So I have the Tetris and Ipsy blending brush. I love a good blending brush, so I will not complain about this. Wow, that feels pretty nice too. It's like a little duo fiber. Let me show you guys because I'm just rambling away. So here is the brush, it's a little duo fiber. And then I have to make sure you guys can see the little Tetris pieces. Look at that. So it's like, it's got the little pieces and it's like the little bar where they're dropping down. And then the bottom is kind of cute. It's like a little pyramid point on the end there. I hope you guys can see that okay. It feels like a lightweight plastic, but somehow it doesn't feel like super cheap. Usually if something's really light, you're like, oh, that feels cheap, but I actually think this feels pretty nice. Okay, I'm actually digging this. So let's go to the next item. Next, we have the Real Her Sorry and Not Sorry Moisturizing Lipstick. Looks like it's all wrapped up nicely too. I have a little bit of gloss on. I have the Dominique Cosmetics gloss on my lips right now. It is so nice and it smells like cake batter. It's so good. All of their products have little sayings on them, and this one says sorry, not sorry. I have the color Rose Pink. It's a pretty decent size. I twisted it up all the way just so that you guys can see, because it's a really pretty color, and then it's got the little Real Her stamp on it as well. And then it lets her roll it down. This actually looks really nice. Ooh, that is a creamy pink. That's a nice color. That's like a really good like spring pink. I want to see, this gloss is dried down a little bit. If I can just put a little bit of this on and test it out. Oh my goodness. Wow, that like glides on so effortlessly. I feel like it would probably do a little bit better if I didn't have a gloss on underneath it, but that's pretty cute. All right, so a little lipstick. That's a really cute color. I can definitely get down with that. I like it. Oh my god, I didn't show you guys the bag. Like, I bet somebody's screaming at me right now. It's okay, I understand, because I didn't do it. But here is the bag. I got the blue one. I'm pretty stoked with that. And I am loving the little zipper pull. It is a little Tetris piece. How cute. I love it so much. Next we have something from Pixi. Oh my god, no, this was an add-on too. I am all over the place. Damn. I'm sorry guys. This was another add-on, and this one was also $3. I kind of like second guess myself. Did I do more than one add-on? Yeah, I did. So for $6, I got the 2 sheet masks and also this. This is the Pixi by Petra. This is a gloss, I believe, and it's in Sheer Rose. Okay, so this is like a pinky brown. Oh, it's kind of minty. That is Sheer Rose right there by Pixi. I just feel like I don't have enough Pixi in my life. I really like all the products from them that I have. The highlight is amazing, and I have a couple skincare products too. So I just felt like I saw this, I need more Pixi in my life. So there you go. So just to be like 100% clear, those were just add-ons, and then everything else is from my actual Ipsy bag. So again, sheet mask, Tetris brush, lipstick from Real Her. And next, this is the Vital Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser. Oh, this is from Tony Moly. Okay, that makes me a little bit more excited about it, to be honest. I'm gonna give it a little sniff. Ooh, it smells kind of citrusy. Like in the best way. I'm excited. I never see products from Tony Moly in subscription boxes, so this is really cool, and this is made in Korea as well. I've actually really liked Tony Moly in the past. I've had their sheet masks. They've been really good. I think I've had lip balms and some hand creams, and I've usually been pretty darn impressed. So that's good. Hey, hold on. And then the last thing I have in here is the Glow for a Cause Lip Love Lip Balm in the shade Flirt. So I got a lot of lip products this time. Of course, again, one was an add-on. So that's what it looks like. It says it has a vitamin E rich coconut oil. It's a sheer pink balm, intensely hydrates and protects the lips. Oh, there we go. I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to pull that seal off, but it popped off easily. So I have swatches from earlier too. So let's put it right here. I don't know if you can see the color at all. Okay, very sheer. Oh, it smells very sweet, like a hint of like strawberry candy or something. It smells nice. It's a very emollient. Ooh, that feels nice. I kind of quickly took off what I had on my lips because I'm just really intrigued. I want to try this balm out because it feels so nice on the hand. This does not feel like a normal balm, like in the best way. It doesn't feel like a normal balm. It doesn't feel like waxy, like you're just putting a coat on your lips. It's very smooth. It's like oily, balmy. Like, I mean that in a really good way. And there's like little sweetness to it. I really like that. Oh my goodness. So I actually am pretty stoked with my bag. So just as a little recap, we got our Tetris bag, and then I got my 2 pharmacy sheet masks. I'm very excited about those. I got my Tony Moly cleanser. I got my little balm that we just put on. This is again Glow for a Cause, and I like this a lot. The little Real Her lipstick, and then finally the Tetris brush. So all of this for 10 bucks is pretty freaking good in my opinion. So that was this month's Ipsy bag. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video and for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell below as well. It will notify you of all my upcoming videos. I would love to have you guys stop by and check out some more videos if you have the time. And we do have one more little thing to take care of. I like to end my videos with something a little special or silly. So I leave these at the end so that you guys, if you don't want to watch, you don't have to. If you've made it to this point and you don't care to watch this, thank you so much. And if you are interested, let's get into our dad joke. Where are average things made? In the satisfactory. That one's like good and bad. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye.